Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica, and for today's video we're going to show you guys how we use Rosewater in our relaxed hair care routine. It's fairly new in our routine, and this time we're using the one with glycerin in it. Guys, this pink water is just so amazing. So yeah, stay tuned and we're going to show you guys how you can use it so you can start seeing results. I started using Rosewater on my scalp since I used it on my skin anyways. So I take any of my favorite scalp massage oils, and this time I used Jamaican black castor oil, and I just combine Rosewater in a spray bottle and a few pumps of oil, shake it up, and go to work on my scalp. Now, Rosewater is one of those sprays that stimulates and increases blood circulation in your scalp to grow your hair. So try massaging it upside down just to speed up the process, and you'll see your results better and faster. Okay, so while our hair isn't damaged per se, we're always in preventative mode because, well, we do put relaxers in our hair, and anyone at any time can have a setback. So it's nice to have something available in case of emergency. Now, Rosewater by itself actually works as a natural moisturizer. Along with the glycerin in it, it's like an added bonus, and it just helps your hair to lock in the moisture, which then keeps your hair from breaking off. I just set aside an extra spray bottle and I put in a few drops of vitamin E oil along with the Rosewater, and I shake it up, and then I just go ahead and spray it all over my hair. And I do concentrate on my ends because it is the oldest parts of my hair, so that's good as well. Vitamin E oil is amazing at repairing damage, so this combination works as a great go-to spray. Okay, so two things. We do have dry scalp flare-ups, and we can get a little flaky as well. What we do is we take a cotton pad and we spray Rosewater on it, and then we just dab our scalp with it. Rosewater is an antibacterial, so it does kill off any bacteria. And another cool thing about it is that it absorbs products and oil buildup, and it really just gets in there and loosens things up. We use this as a leave-in, but you can also do this pre-wash as well. I like to keep Rosewater with me in my purse or my bag. Sometimes I'll just out of nowhere just spray it on my hair when it starts to feel super dry and I don't want to use a lotion moisturizer. But this also works well after working out too. Like I mentioned earlier, it removes oily sweat, but it also works as a natural light perfume for your hair. And another cool fact is that the pH balance in Rosewater also brings your hair to its natural pH balance of what it should be. And then it also improves the porosity of your hair to seal in your cuticle for better moisture. But yeah, enough of the science talk. It's okay to go a little crazy and overboard with the spray. I know I do. And we saved the best for last, but we already have an entire video on how we handle new growth, and that video is probably the first time y'all heard us rave about Rosewater, and it really was a big factor in styling and maintaining our new growth during relaxer stretches. And by the way, I don't know anybody who has new growth that comes in soft and manageable, so definitely go check that video out because Rosewater is one of the best ways we soften our new growth and everything and just keep it manageable throughout our stretches, so go check it out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Like I mentioned before, Rosewater is new to our routine, and yeah, it's great for hair care and skin care. Yeah, it is. So yeah, if you guys want to see like a skin video with Rosewater, because that's when I first started using Rosewater, was on my skin, and then I was like, oh yeah, maybe you can use it on your hair. So yeah, if you want to see a skin routine with Rosewater or how we use it on our skin, just let us know. But yeah, this is how we use it on our hair. Let us know how you use it. I know a lot of people said that they've used Rosewater before from our previous videos where we mentioned it. So yeah, if you guys let us know and share your little secrets on how you use it, leave them in the comments. But thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we'll see you guys next week. We love you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.